Looking for the best fish bowls? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 fish bowls on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Koller Products 2-gallon Hex Fish Bowl. Stands out for its attractive hexagonal shape that looks great on a shelf, table, or desk. With a 2-gallon capacity, this bowl offers more space for fish than others on our list. A nice capacity and appealing design are this bowl's top features. Unique and spacious. Plastic is thin, and although it has nice clarity at first, it tends to get cloudy over time. At number 2. Aquion Betta Bowl Aquarium Kit. Made for bettas and other small fish, this model comes with the essentials, including gravel, an aquarium plant, and lid with feeding door. Made of clear acrylic. Easy to set up. A small, easy to use, and affordable bowl that's best for single or very small fish. Tank isn't large enough to house 2 bettas long term. A small heater is recommended for best results. At number 1. Anchor Hocking 1-gallon drum fish bowl. Classic drum fish bowl that holds up to a gallon of water. Crafted of thick glass that provides crystal clear visibility. A good option for small fish and aquatic plants. Also makes a nice terrarium. This fish bowl earns the top spot on our list of favorites for its traditional design and durable glass construction. A few tanks were broken when they arrived. Rare reports of bubbles in the glass. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.